you're a small creator trying to grow in 2025, is this going to be the most valuable video you watch all week? By the end of this video, you're going to know 5 ridiculous YouTube analytics and growth tips that small channels need to use to grow faster, especially if your views are stuck, your subscriber count isn't moving, and you're not sure why your content isn't performing the way it should. And no, this isn't just surface level stuff like check your CTR or make better thumbnail. I'm going to show you how to actually use these metrics to fix low performance, find your audience, and create videos that get pushed. Because let's be real, you're putting in the effort, you're uploading consistently, and yet it feels like YouTube isn't giving your video a real chance. It's frustrating, I know. If you're frustrated, it's discouraging, and sometimes it makes you question whether it's even worth it. But the truth is, you're probably not doing anything wrong. You just haven't shown how to interpret the right signal. Let's find a break down the number and make YouTube analytics work for you. Tip number 1, CTR. How to use click-through rate to actually grow. Click-through rate, or CTR, is one of the most misunderstood analytics on YouTube. Creators see a number like 3 or 8% and they either panic or celebrate, but they rarely know what to do with it. CTR tell you how many people click on your video when they saw the thumbnail and title. It's a direct measure of your first impression, but here's the twist. CTR only matters if your impressions are growing. Let me show you why. Imagine this. You have a CTR of 10%, but only 100 people saw the thumbnail. That's 10 clicks. Now imagine a CTR of 4%, but your video got shown to 10,000 people. That's 400 clicks. Which one actually help your channel grow? Exactly. Don't just chase ICTR. Look at CTR in context. Here's what to do. Open your advanced analytics, click on impression, and filter by video. Sort by highest to lowest. Then look for pattern match. Do your better CTR video have close-up face, bold text, a certain color, a feel of mystery? That's your thumbnail formula. Don't reinvent the wheel. Refine what's already working. YouTube compares your newest thumbnail to your last 10. So if your new one is better, it gets shown more. If not, it dies early. This is why most creators are stuck. They're copying other people's thumbnail instead of studying their own. Tip number 2, AVD, average view duration. This stat matters more than most creators realize. It's not about how long your video is, it's about how long people stay. If you post a 10-minute video and people click off at the 3-minute mark, that's a 30% retention rate. That tells YouTube your video loses interest fast. The fix, don't just upload, engineer attention. Go into your analytics, click audience retention, and look at the first minute. Where does the drop-off happen? Usually, there's a cliff around 20 to 40 seconds in. That's where you lost them. That's your dead zone. Now, here's how to fix it. Every 30 seconds, add something that rehook your viewers. A curiosity line, a surprising visual, a direct challenge. For example, here's a thumbnail I use to cut my views in half and why I still use it sometimes. That keeps people watching because they want the payoff. That's what called open looping. Mr. Beast used this. Big educational creator like Ali Abdaal use it. Even story-driven documentaries do it. So if you want retention, don't just explain. Build curiosity into your pacing. Tip number 3. The audience tab goldmine, where growth is hiding. Now let's dig into the audience tab. This one is the most overlooked part of YouTube analytics, but it's an absolute goldmine. First, check when your viewers are online. This shows you the best time to post, not guessing. Actual viewers, actively data. Post during the peak window and you will catch your audience when they're active. But even better, look at other channel audience watch. This is where you steal momentum without stealing content. That list of similar channels and look what they're posting, what video are taking off, what topic are trending. Then you pivot. You don't copy, you counter program. If they're doing YouTube short versus long form, you drop the I shoot about YouTube short in 2025. Nobody's saying this. Same trend, different angle. That's how you compete without copying. Also look at tone. Are those videos fast-paced, claim, data-heavy? Start matching tone with your own twist. And here's a powerful move. Scroll through their comment. What's their audience asking for that they haven't covered? That's your next video. Tip number 4, Traffic source deep dive. Know where your viewers come from. This section tells you how people are finding your content. There are 5 major ones. Number 1, browse YouTube homepage. Number 2, suggestion next to your other videos. 3, search, type in query. 4, short feed. 5th, external, like, discard, blog, or embed. Let's break down how to read this. Search traffic means your title and topic are searchable. But if that's your only source, your thumbnail might be weak. You're pulling in viewers who already want help, but not standing out enough to win cold traffic. Browse traffic means YouTube is testing you on the homepage. Good CTR? Great. But if retention is weak, you're getting buried fast. Search traffic is the biggest opportunity. You're showing up beside trending videos. Does that mean you need to match their energy with what's trending without copying? So here's a trick. Take a trending video, study the color, title style, pacing, then create a related video with a flip layout and a new angle. YouTube will naturally pair your content with theirs because viewers binge similar content in one session. This is how small channels grow without a big push, by riding adjacent relevance. Tip number 5, the viewers funnel. How to turn viewers into subscriber. Getting viewers is great, but if your subscribers aren't moving, here's what's missing. You're not building identity alignment. Here's a real funnel. Impression, click, watch time, engagement, subscription. Every step is a filter, and most creators lose people at the identity stage. Here's what to change. Talk directly to your audience struggle. Say things like, if you have been stuck under 1,000 subs for a month, this is the channel that's here for you. I don't have all the answers, but I'm testing what works and showing you the real stuff. This is what I wish someone told me when I had 0 momentum. When you say that out loud, your audience doesn't just watch, they connect. That's how you build community, not just traffic. Bonus section, the 3 analytics mistake killing small channel. Let's end with 3 mistakes to avoid. Number 1, only checking surface numbers. Don't just look at views, look at retention by timestamp. If 60% drop off in the first minute, you've got a pacing problem, not a topic problem. Number 2, giving up too early. One bad video doesn't mean the idea failed. It might have just have the wrong title or thumbnail. Test the same topic 3 different ways before scaling it. Number 3, ignoring comment. Comment tell you why people left, stay, or didn't subscribe. YouTube give you the what. The comment section give you the why. So if you're still here, I already know about you. You're serious about growing. You're not just chasing viral luck, you want real momentum. So do this next. Go into your analytics right now, check your CTR, look at your top traffic source, study your audience retention and drop off, pick one surprising insight and make your next video based on that. And if this helped, subscribe because I'm building a full series showing how to grow with strategy, not guessing. Your content deserves more attention. Let's build a channel that finally get it. I'm Ian. I'm learning as I go, just like you. And I'll see you in the next one.